In this video, I'm unboxing a spin a wheel item. At the end of it, I will come back and share what it looks like once it's assembled. I'm going to share me taking it out of the box, but I'm not going to show me assembling it because I don't know how to. I have to read the directions. And at the time when I recorded this, I thought I was going to have to go on YouTube to look it up. So I'm going to speed this part up a little bit, and then at the end I'll be talking because I'll share, you know, the assembled product and what we plan to use it for. Okay, so this is it, and I'm so excited. My husband said he really likes this thing too, so we want to use it, you know, to play some games, do questions and answer videos and things of that sort, God willing. And so here, this is how it works. You spin it, you see. Now I could put my own categories on there. Yeah, here's a dry erase mark and the eraser that it came with, dry erase marker and eraser, and I think this was $30 something. Yeah. And so it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So I could use this, you know, for different activities. One of the things I want to use it for is like a Bible journaling page. So I will put like the substrate, like what I'm going to use, like paper, Bible, watercolor, you know, different items I could put on there, or not so much on these substrates, but like the different journals that I have. So I am gonna make some, I don't know if this magnet, or I will have to write it in each time, but anyway, so I will put like maybe 4 I don't know how I'll do that because I will have to erase it again if I wanted to like put what type of journal Bible I'm going to use, and then the items that I'm going to use on it. So I might just put those things, like the type of journals that I want to work with. Maybe put 5 of them, put it in the bag, pull it out, whichever one comes out, and then I'll use the spinner for the different items I'm going to use on a page. Like, okay, I can use up to 5 things, so I'll spin it 5 times. There'll be 12 things on there, but I can only spin it 5 times, something like that, you know. And then in another time, maybe I'll just put all the items that I can journal on here and spin it, and that'll be the pull out. It's just different ways to do it, so it's fun. I think it's so exciting. I saw someone use this for like slime. I saw someone use it for what was it, doing art, art journaling, question and answers, game night with their friends. So yeah, so I've been wanting this for maybe like the past 2 years, and I just finally was like, okay, I saw a video, I was like, you know what, it just was like, go ahead and just get it, you know, and have fun with it, right? So so hopefully the next video where I show this, I'll be using it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, so with that being said, thanks for watching. God bless you. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below if you want. I'm usually not that interactive like that, but I'll try to be. All right, so yeah, so let me know what you think about this in the comments below. And I want to say again, thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.